was an aircraft mechanic for 20 years in the United States Air Force, and while in the Air Force I managed to get a history degree. And what would an airplane mechanic with a history degree do but end up here at Intrepid? Well, the Intrepid Sea Air and Space Museum is really the retired aircraft carrier USS Intrepid. The ship saw service in World War II, got her nose bloodied too. Lots of men gave their lives on this ship. We have airplanes from around the world, really. An Italian airplane, a French airplane, British airplane. You look at it, it's just an object, but that object has a history. That once you research the machine and find out where it was, now you can attach the who. And finding the people that flew these things, that has been the most rewarding part of the job. In almost 12 years here at Intrepid, I can't believe what I've seen and done. The big one for a lot of people that are still here is the arrival of the Space Shuttle Enterprise. What a coup that was for NASA to award us Enterprise, to take care of that, really, that national icon. But I've always been fascinated with airplanes. I get some of that from my dad. My dad he served in World War II as a gunner on an Avenger. And my respect for the machines and the people that flew them, whether they're from our nation or other nations, they're just amazing machines that had amazing people behind them. An aircraft carrier, former aircraft carrier, right here within walking distance of Midtown Manhattan with all this history. I think we're a very unique place and very proud to be here. In my almost 12 years here, I really have a lifetime of memories of amazing things. I hope I give that passion to the people that work for me as well. I do have the greatest job. I have the greatest job in Manhattan for sure, because I meet people and they're jealous of what I do. But I know I'm having a lot of fun.